Food label lies, 10 ingredients hiding in plain sight. That could be harming you. Think your favorite snack is actually healthy? The truth might be hiding in plain sight, right on the label. Food companies use sneaky names and scientific jargon to hide harmful ingredients, and most people don't even notice. Ingredient number 1, maltodextrin. Maltodextrin sounds harmless, right? But it spikes your blood sugar faster than actual sugar. Yikes. Ingredient number 2, high-fructose corn syrup. High-fructose corn syrup is cheap and toxic. It's linked to fatty liver, diabetes, and obesity. Ingredient number 3, artificial colors, e.g. red 40, yellow 5. Artificial colors like red 40 have been linked to hyperactivity in kids and even potential cancer risks. Ingredient number 4, BHA and BHT. These preservatives may extend shelf life, but studies link them to cancer in lab animals. Still hungry? Ingredient number 5, aspartame and sucralose. These artificial sweeteners may be 0-calorie, but they could disrupt your gut and confuse your brain. And then there's the rest: carrageenan, MSG, propylene glycol. Even natural flavors can be anything but. Here is how to outsmart the label lies and take back control of your plate. Read ingredients, shop smarter, and stick to real foods with names you actually recognize. Your body deserves better than hidden toxins. Hit subscribe to learn how to decode health